Unlocking the music magic with Spotify Premium Duo.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Spotify Premium Duo, a fantastic subscription plan that allows you and a partner to enjoy your favorite music without any interruption. This video will answer two key questions. What is the cost of Spotify Premium Duo? And how can you pay for it?
What is the cost of Spotify Premium Duo?
As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the cost of Spotify Premium Duo was $12.99 per month in the United States. However, the price may vary based on your region or any ongoing promotional offers. It's important to check the current pricing on the official Spotify website or app for the most accurate information. Spotify Premium Duo is a subscription plan designed for two people living at the same address. It provides each person with their individual premium account under one billing agreement.
How can I pay for Spotify Premium Duo?
Spotify offers multiple payment methods based on your region. These can include 1. Credit or debit card. 2. PayPal. 3. Direct carrier billing through supported mobile and broadband providers. 4. Spotify gift cards. 5. PaySafe card. In some countries, remember to check the payment methods available in your country on the official Spotify website or app. Here's a basic step-by-step guide on how to subscribe and pay. 1. Log in to your Spotify account on the website or app. 2. Go to the Premium section. 3. Choose Premium Duo. 4. Enter or confirm your payment details. 5. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. That wraps up our discussion on Spotify Premium Duo's cost and payment methods. With Spotify Premium Duo, you and a partner can unlock endless music enjoyment together. Don't forget to check the current pricing and available payment methods in your region. Happy listening!